Stop motion. Have you ever dreamed of making your toys fight, fly, or even do random stuff? Using stop motion, you can make those dreams come true. But what is stop motion? Stop motion, in simple words, is a form of animation where you take a picture of every single movement that happens in your video or film. Well, how do you film a stop motion? There are two ways. You could either use your camera or phone. If you're just starting, I would not recommend a camera because it's a very complicated process. So let's stick with phones for now. First of all, I would recommend you to download an app called Stop Motion Studio. It's free, so why not? The first thing you'll probably see is the home screen. In the home screen, you will find where it says New Project. I want you to click on that. There are a lot of settings and customizing you can do on this app. But for now, let's stick to how you would animate. So next, click on the camera icon you'll find in the top right of your screen. To capture a frame or a picture of your character's movement or any movement in general in the movie or film of yours, you need to click on the big red dot. As you can see, I am doing it right now. But before you start filming, you need your characters, the story, the setting, and something to handle your camera. One note, when you're filming, do not have your FPS or frames per second on 1 or 2, 3, and so on and so forth. I would recommend having on 12, 15, 20, or 24, whatever fits for you the most. Okay, for the characters and setting, I would recommend using Lego. The reason is it is so much easier to film with Lego than other things you can use to film a stop motion video or film. For the handle, you can use an actual iPhone handle or you can make your own custom Lego handle, which I think is easier to use, but if you don't have enough Lego pieces to make it, just use an actual one. And finally, I want to tell you some things. When you're doing this, you must have patience and always try to work with what you have. And as you get better, you can start to improve maybe things like your setup, the way you film, and many more. And that will be it. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial and goodbye.